How to archive text messages on Android. Some may leverage the built-in functions of Google services for an easy solution for SMS archiving. But how can you do that? And are there any other techniques to archive messages? This tutorial will tackle all of these concerns in a single endeavor. Part 1. Why archive text messages on Android? Legal compliance, memory preservation, evidence in legal proceedings, documentation for relationships, business communication records, security and backup. Part 2. Archive text messages on Android and archive them via Google Voice. Open Google Voice, go to Messages, Calls, or Voicemail by tapping the option at the bottom. Find the item to archive, hold on to it. Tap Archive in the top right corner. Part 3. Archive and unarchive texts on Android via Google Message. Launch the Google Messages app. Click on your profile icon next to the search icon. Choose Archive to file it on the Google server. Part 4. Archive and unarchive SMS via built-in Message app. Navigate to the Messages app on Android, where you'll find several old text threads. Choose the specific thread you wish to archive or long press to select multiple threads. Once you've made your selections, tap the Archive button. Part 5. Archive and restore texts on Android with Google Drive. Pull down, go to Settings Account at Account Google. Navigate to Backup. Backup now for Android, including SMS. Find the SMS backup on Google Drive after completion. Part 6. Archive and restore Android text messages with SMS Backup Plus. Log into Gmail, go to Settings Forwarding and pop IMAP. Enable IMAP. Save changes. Install SMS Backup Plus from Play Store. Launch, tap, Connect. Choose Gmail account, grant permissions, select Backup to start. Part 7. Archive and restore text messages on Android professionally. Are you looking for a convenient way to store and access text conversations on a computer for safekeeping or printing? If you also aim to archive for potential instant restoration, don't miss Mobican Backup Manager for Android. How to archive SMS on Android with Mobican Android Backup and Restore. Step 1. Download and install the program on your computer. Connect your Android device via USB, enabling USB debugging if necessary. Step 2. The tool will detect your phone. On the main screen, click Backup and choose Messages. Step 3. Click Browser to select a location on your computer for archiving. Finally, click Backup to save SMS from your Android to the computer. Upon reaching the program's main interface, select the Restore option and choose the Messages category from the backup files. Subsequently, proceed to tap on Restore once more. This will restore the messages from this computer to your Android phone.